getting more noise now because it's so fucking... There it is. Yeah, it's climbing back up. Come on. Relax, dog. Give out a little bit. Let's try this. And that sound happens to be about the same as this thing, though. Anyway. It's like an old ass TV turning on. But yeah, let's get this in focus. There we go. So right now, since two of the op-amps comparators on this thing fucking died, because, I don't know, pulling too much power or something, where I have coming off of the, you got the oscillator on this corner, and then the signal from that gets compared to the audio signal on this corner. And originally this little Y bridge here took what came out of that and just took it to these two. One is inverted, the other isn't. But since those quit working, now I just have it bridged there with a what was this, a 200 ohm resistor, 100 ohm, something like that. And that's going into the input of a MOSFET driver, a TC4452V. Let me check right here. Yes, TC4452V. And then that's going into some giant MOSFETs that I got from a server power supply. So there's a current limiting for that. It can suck more current than it can push, so there's about 7 ohms for it going positive and 1 ohm going negative with a diode. Oh yeah, and these are basically in parallel, so it's a little less than 7, but whatever. It's like right there in spec. Once you add the gate resistance of this thing from the data sheet, which is 0.7, that means 1.7 on that, which is fine. and the pushing it high, it's a little higher than a little higher resistance than it needs to be, but whatever, it's not like it's gonna hurt. 50K pot when it should be something like 100 or 200 ohm. That's why it's so damn finicky. Capacitor I'm using came from a bulk set, so it's probably shit too, who knows. Anyway, getting there.